Hello students, now let us consider one example to simplify the logic function using the K-map. So for this purpose we take a three variable logic function f of a, b, c equal to summation of the minterms 3, 5, 6, 7. So because this is a three variable function, so we take a three variable K-map. So this is the three variable K-map consisting of 8 cells. Now we make entries into this particular K-map. The first entry will be corresponding to the min term 3. So here you can see that the summation of 3, 5, 6, 7, that means in the truth table corresponding to the row for which the A, B, C are 0, 1, 1, the output will be 1. This is minterm F5, that is corresponding to the term to the row in the truth table 101, the output will be 1. Then for 110, output will be 1, and for 111, the output will be 1. So for 011 in the table we have made the entry 1. Then for 5, so the cell corresponding to 5 is 101, so A1 BC01, so this is the cell, so the next entry will go here. Then corresponding to 6, that is 110, so 110, so it is this cell, so the entry will be 1 here, and the last one is 111, so this is the cell for which the ABC are 111, so entry is made in this table. Okay, so from the mean term also we can make the entries into the K-map. The remaining cells of the K-map, it will be 0, okay, because for those inputs the output will be 0. Okay, now the next step is to make the groups. Okay, so we can see here that we cannot form any octet or we cannot form any quad. Okay, though 4 ones are there, but they are not uh, in the fashion that we can form a quad. Okay, so we cannot form a quad of 4 ones like this. They should be in the rows and column to form a square or a rectangle. But we can form pairs here. So this is how we can form 3 pairs uh, of this particular one existing ones. Okay, and we can write the expression for each of the pair. The expression for this will be A1 here, then B is changing, C is constant, so AC. Expression for this is BC, A is changing, B and C are constant, so BC. For this, the A is constant 1, and amongst BC, the B is constant, it is 1, and C is changing, so it will be AB. So expression for this is AB, and then we write the expression for the logic function f of a, b, c as the sum of these particular products. Okay, so sum of the products for each of the group, okay, or sum of the product for each of this particular group, so which is AB, BC, and uh, uh, AB or BC or AC. So this is the expression for the logic function. Okay, so this expression is in the minimized form. Now let us consider the four variable function f of a, b, c, d, okay, which has got this particular mean terms. Okay, So obviously for this we need a 4 variable K-map. Now we make entries into this particular K-map. So we have to make the entries uh, first of all for the minterm 1. Okay, so it will go to the cell for which the input is AB is 0 0 and CD is 0 1. So then for 5, that is 0 1 0 1. So this is the row for which AB is 0 1 and CD is 0 1. Then for next minterm, that is 6, ABCD, they are 0 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 0. So this is the M6. So here there will be next entry. Okay, then after that it is 8. So this is the cell for which the ABCD are 1 0 0 0, that is 8. So this is corresponding to 8. Then 9, and then this one is minterm 10. Then this one is 11. Okay, then the 12th minterm is this particular cell. So there 1. Then 13 is also 1. 14 is this one, and 15 is this one. Okay, so like this we have entered 1 corresponding to each of this particular minterm, whereas the remaining cells will be 0. Okay, now we form the octets, quads and pair out of this. We can see here that we can form an octet. Okay, so we should always form a bigger group. So this is a group of 8 ones. Okay, then you can see here is that you can form a group of 4 ones. So this is the second next group in this particular K-map. Now this is the only one remained, and you can pair this particular one uh, to form to make a group. Okay, so now all ones are there in one or the other group, and now we can write the expression. The expression for the octet, it is A. So here you can see that the uh, A is 1 here, B is changing, C and D are changing as you go across this particular octet. Okay, then let us write the expression for this particular uh, quad. Okay, so here you can see that AB are changing and CD is constant, 0 and 1. So the expression for this will be C bar D. It should have been C bar D here. So note that expression for this is A is changing, B is 1, and amongst C and D it is C is 1 and D is 0. So B, C, D bar. Okay, so there is a typographical error here. So this should be C bar D. Okay, and finally we write the expression, and the expression is A. Okay, or then this B bar uh, B bar C. So actually this has to be C bar D. Okay, and then for the pair it is B C D bar. Okay, so like this this particular logic function can be minimized logic function can be obtained using the K-map. Okay, so we come to the end of this particular topic. In this topic we have seen in the beginning the logic function representation, and then we have seen how to get a minimized logic function using the 2 variable, 3 variable or 4 variable K-map. Okay. In the next topic we shall see design of code converters.